Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic a day at the beach. At a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. The sun was shining brightly as I woke up feeling excited about the day ahead. Today, we were going to the beach. I quickly got dressed in my swimsuit and grabbed a towel before heading downstairs. My family was already there, enjoying breakfast. After breakfast, we packed up the car with beach towels, sunscreen, and a cooler filled with snacks and drinks. We hopped into the car and started the drive to the beach. The journey was filled with laughter and excitement as we sang along to the music on the radio. When we arrived at the beach, I couldn't wait to get into the water. The sand was warm and soft under my feet. I ran towards the ocean, feeling the cool water washing over my toes. My family joined me and we splashed around in the waves. We built sandcastles and collected seashells. My dad taught me how to surf a small wave, and I felt a rush of adrenaline as I rode the wave to the shore. We spent the afternoon swimming, playing beach volleyball, and sunbathing. As the day went on, the sun began to set. The sky was painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple. We sat on the beach and watched the sunset, feeling grateful for the beautiful day. After the sun had set, we packed up our things and headed back to the car. We were tired but happy, and we couldn't wait to do it all again tomorrow. As we drove home, I thought about all the fun we had at the beach. It was a day I would never forget. The next morning, we woke up early and headed back to the beach. This time, we brought along a picnic basket filled with sandwiches, fruit, and chips. We found a shady spot under a tree and spread out a blanket. As we ate our lunch, we watched the waves crashing against the shore. After lunch, we went for a long walk along the beach. We found a hidden cove and explored the tide pools. We saw crabs, starfish, and other interesting sea creatures. As the day went on, the tide started to come in. We had to move to higher ground to avoid getting wet. We spent the rest of the day swimming, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball. As the sun began to set, we sat on the beach and watched the beautiful sunset. It was another perfect day at the beach. We continued to go to the beach every day for the rest of our vacation. Each day was filled with new adventures and memories. We learned how to paddleboard, went snorkeling, and even took a boat tour to see dolphins. On our last day at the beach, we had a big beach party. We invited all of our friends and family. We played games, danced, and ate delicious food. As the sun began to set, we sat on the beach and watched the fireworks. It was a magical way to end our vacation. As we drove home, from the beach on our last day, I felt a sense of sadness. I knew that I would miss the beach and the ocean. But I also knew that I would never forget the memories I had made there. I had fallen in love with the beach and I couldn't wait to come back again someday.